This is my little secret hiding spot in Miami, a tiny little island in the middle of a big park. Nobody ever comes here. Once in a while I see a raccoon, but here I'm all by myself, and I come here to become one with nature. I just listen to the wind in the trees, to the birds. Once in a while there's a duck in the water or a fish comes up, gets some air. And I focus on my breath. And I expand my energy. And I let my energy connect with the surrounding nature. And I become one with this nature and the universe. Again, I focus on my breath and I become one with this nature, and I feel peace coming up. And I'm sharing this with you because you can do that too. And you should do it more than once a day. Connect to the true essence of who you are and allow life to come to you peacefully. And so it is. Have a wonderful day.